On this video, if you are facing that your phone accidentally change the language into the language you never known before, you couldn't identify what language it is. So this phone, Redmi Note 13 Pro, already changed it to I think it might be Arabic or Urdu, and then I want to change it back, revert it back into English language. What you have to do, you just go to your settings. I will try one more time. You just press toggle on your phone, and then you find settings, the gear icon, and then you scroll down until you can find this kind of icon. You don't need to see the fonts or the text. You just see this kind of icon. I just click that, and then you tap on the second, okay, the second option here. And then here, if your window or has this Gboard option, which is you already on the correct window, on the correct screen, I mean. And then you click on the first here. See, now I'm on the option language. These are listed all the languages. So I click this English United States, and voila, my phone show me Redmi Note 13 Pro already revert back into English. So that's it. Very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it does, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.